I should not comment on that. Since you didn't involve me, you should not involve her also in this question. You can see others' money, not my money, being a banker. You're not talking anything about our commentary. You are my guru in the commentary. You start interviewing only Chennai people. Hi, I'm Jai Shankar Menon. मैं आ रहा हूँ with Ashish in his program Lockdown with Legends. See you there. Light is okay?
Lockdown with Legends में we have the first Indian who was part of the Asian All-Star basketball team. He represented India for 11 years and played in 4 Asian championships. He is none other than Mr. Jai Shankar Menon. How are you, my dear friend?
Fine, Ashish. Long time. Yeah. How is lockdown in Delhi?
So Delhi में there is no lockdown, but the cases I guess in Delhi and Tamil Nadu 70,000 cases से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, which is not a good news. How are things in Chennai?
Chennai, we have lockdown now. Numbers are going up. So government may extend. Now, as per this lockdown is up till 30th. But there are talk that they have to extend. Now they go.
So Delhi में जब lockdown खुला, I was planning to change the name of the show. But since Chennai में lockdown है, I can continue with the same name.
You start interviewing only Chennai people.
Yeah, sure. I mean, Chennai do have a lot of legendary athletes of India. You know, during this lockdown, you're one of the few lucky people who can actually see a lot of money around you. हमने तो 3 महीने से पैसा ज़्यादा क्या होता है हमें मालूम ही नहीं है.
I can see others' money, not my money, being a banker. I'm heading the Indian Bank Kelly's branch in Chennai now.
How is Prasanna?
Oh, yeah, she's fine. You want to go for a joint interview? Then we'll fight each other, so don't do that.
Oh yeah, please call her. I would love to talk to her. She's a wonderful host. I still remember जब आपके घर पे आया था, उन्होंने 5 तरह की डिश बनाई थी मेरे लिए अलग अलग. And I'm very thankful कि उन्होंने इतना ध्यान रखा मेरा, आपने ध्यान रखा. And all of you who are watching this show, so there is an announcement that whenever you are going to Jai Shankar Menon's place, you are going to get the best of food. So your younger daughter is into throws. Who decided that? You, Prasanna, or she herself wanted to become a thrower?
Her only. See, in fact, for basketball, no one forced us. Similarly, my younger daughter wants to do athletics, and she concentrated now in shot put as well as discus. Krishna.
You know, very good decision, because in India, if the kids, they are not playing the same sport which their parents played, the success ratio is very good. The biggest example is like PV Sindhu and Jeev Milkha Singh.
So hopefully, by God's grace, she will be able to get up to that level or come to that level expected.
Even like Seema Antle was telling me that she is having a very good scope in throws. So anyways, like how many couples are there in basketball who played for India or who were like Indian captain?
Yeah, ours is I think only captain couples in basketball as well as any other ball game. Other than that, Gina Sakriya. Gina is a former Indian captain and Sakriya is there. Then Pratibha Surishekar and Surishekar. Then basketball, Sheelamma and Yamma Varghese in Bombay. Then there are, but international level, not much.
Very few, I guess, you rightly said. So when did you first met Prasanna, और पहली बार आपने कहाँ देखा उनको?
I saw her in the junior nationals in Baroda. I mean, that was in the year 85, I believe. 85. That time she was star, you know, she was playing for India, senior, junior and all. That time I was only a beginner. I mean, even though I was playing for Kerala, but unfortunately what happened that Baroda Nationals, I had a knee injury. I still remember. So we had a bad time. I had a bad time, not we. Because Kerala, that time junior, we reached in the finals. And in the final, we lost to Maharashtra, which we defeated in the, I think, in the group because I was playing. That time I was more concentrating only on rebounds, you know. So coach told me, Bivin Chako, I still remember his words. He said, Shankar, if you would have been there, definitely you would have. From that day, from there, I was literally broken, and I ran outside and was crying like a. That was I was like it's under 16. I'm sorry, under 18. Yeah,
You both played for Kerala.
correct. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We both actually. Prasanna also was representing Kerala.
And who proposed first? You, Prasanna, or like kind of it was a family affair?
Yeah, in fact, she's related to me. I mean, before itself, like her family was my mother's sister's husband family.
So you were focusing on basketball and at the same time concentrating on Prasanna, and that is why you are at a very good position in a bank because you are a very responsible person. So when and how did you started basketball? Basketball में आपका entry कैसे हुआ था? You can also use Hindi in between if you want to, if you're comfortable.
मैंने बास्केटबॉल शुरू किया with a free pass, free pass because my father was working for municipal, corporation office in the place called Trichy. I mean, Trichy is famous for Puram. Trichy is one of the famous thing, and we used to have a tournament in All India tournament in Trichy. वो नाम है कराटिल मेमोरियल टूर्नामेंट. तो इंडिया का पूरा खिलाड़ी लोग ना those time, I'm talking about 80s, 70s and 80s. All the leading players to play that tournament. So I got the pass first time from my father. He said, why don't you go? So to entry to the basketball court was with a free pass. Okay, that year, next. So game मेरे को बहुत fascinated हुआ because it is a tough game, rough game, and you need to be intelligent also because it is a mind game also. So the game fascinated me, and I joined the Sports Council, Trichy Sports Council organized summer camp. So मैंने इस camp में join किया. I remember the first coach was Mr. C.P. Michael. So game शुरू किया मैं. उसके बाद next year when the tournament happened, I was in the scoreboard. That was my improvement. And the next year I was in the playing team, not in the the local team who played. So slowly, I improved myself, and first time I represented Kerala was under 16. That was the first under 16 nationals Bhilwara mein. So that was the first representation for me. So because of that, I got selected to Sports Council. Kerala mein Sports Council ka camp hai. We sponsor the education as well as practice. So Kerala Verma College, one of the leading team, उसमें join किया. So that was one of the break for me. And उसके बाद I started playing in the Kerala Verma starting five in the beginning itself. And I improved myself because my body also tuned because we had a regular practice under coach L.S. Prabhakara.
Good to know that India got its one of the captain just because of a tournament, and there should be actually a lot of tournaments to motivate players. When did you play your first nationals? You remember that?
First senior nationals was again for Kerala in the year 85. Yeah, 85 Calcutta Nationals. I played 2 senior nationals for Kerala. In fact, Kerala came slowly up when I played for Kerala in the Lucknow Nationals, 86 years.
So when you were selected for the junior team, at that time, the juniors were as good as the senior Indian team. You were giving a tough fight to the Indian senior team that time.
Indian camp है ना बहुत senior और junior camp था पटियाला में. That time Ramesh Kelly was the coach, one of the coach for junior Indian team, and we used to fight with the senior team because इतना अच्छा था हमारा team. Sunny, CV Sunny, Jasminder Singh Ranu, then late Rahul Chaudhary, and many players. So हमारा team इतना अच्छा था. We used to give a real fight to the senior players. In fact, we defeated the senior team in couple of matches also, like very ding dong matches. It was, so that helped me a lot. When you play with your senior people, automatically your game also will improve.
Your team was so good, but the team was not sent for the junior ABC, and you missed your first tour.
Unfortunately, what happened? Rajiv Gandhi, that time the Prime Minister, he banned all the foreign trips because of. The Asian Games report was not presented properly or presented on time. So first cut was on my first junior ABC in Manila, Philippines. So that time Prasanna was also there in the girls team, junior girls team. And because of my camp performance, everything, I was selected in the Indian Railways. No, no. I missed that ABC, but we represented Kerala in the nationals. I would have gone for junior ABC. I would not have represented Kerala in the nationals at Lucknow. So Lucknow nationals, we were very fit, and that helped us to play. Even we lost against services. We gave a very good fight, but we lost in the quarterfinals, I believe. But my performance, because of that performance, I was selected by World Railways, Indian Railways. So myself, Ram Kumar and Ajmer Singh, we all joined together with Indian Railways to play the World Railway Championship that was held in Delhi, 87 May. Again, that was a very good break for me. I was playing in the starting five for Railways, and we played very well in all matches. We defeated, I remember, Germany and all. And because of that, I got direct selection to the senior men team. Okay, senior men team was about to go for Bangkok Asian Championship and Saab Games, Calcutta. That was so two teams were they were selecting two teams, and my entry to the Indian practice camp was last 16 days or something. But I was selected to the main team. So that was my first tour. Even though I missed the tour of Philippines, I got a chance to represent senior India. That was in Bangkok Asian Games in 1987.
You, Ram Kumar, Ajmer Singh were like considered the Trimurti of Indian Railways that time. So Ramu was your batchmate, or he was senior to you?
Ramu also 1 year senior to me. Ajmer is very senior to us, but Railway mein same batch. Railway we all joined together in 87 for the World Railway Games. I think Ramos joined maybe 1 year back, but myself and Ajmer Singh joined the same year.
How long you played for Railways?
I played for Railways in fact 4 years, but I missed Jamshedpur Nationals because of jaundice. So because after the Syrian tour, I had a jaundice in Syria, so I missed that 89 Nationals in Jamshedpur. So in 87, the Railway defeated Services, and that is the first time Railways winning after a gap of 20 years or something.
So first ABC, when you represented India, you were only 19, and there was a very good incident that you were not expecting that coach will tell you to play in the first five, and all of a sudden he was saying, okay, where is Shankar? So what was that incident?
See, I had a very good opportunity because normally, people say that पहला बार आपको chance नहीं मिलेगा because seniors है सब है. So मैंने क्या किया, ऐसा आराम से okay देखना है, Bangkok है, देखने के लिए बहुत जगह है, देखना का बहुत. No, it's a beautiful city. So I was enjoying. I enjoyed my first journey by flight. So I was just enjoying, and that day we had a practice and all. And the first match was against Jordan. Yes, Jordan. So match ka pehle before lunch we had a pep talk by Coach Pratibal Singh. So I was just sitting casually, like okay, everyone is sitting. I may be better. So Pratibal said, okay, Pratibal sir told me, he generally said, we have to play, this is a good match. Jordan is a good team because they were the bronze medalist team. Okay, very good hefty players and all. So he said, Ajmer Singh, Rajan, then Rizwan, Ram Kumar, and he said Shankar. I didn't hear it actually because I was not interested. I was not, actually, I was not having any idea that I will be playing in the starting five. So I think someone was sitting nearby. I don't remember who. I think Harry or something. So he just gave me an elbow. Hey, aapko bula raha hai. Not me. Then I could not believe it. Yes, I was in the starting five for my first performance for India. That was, that was a very. I still remember those days. It's a rare opportunity at the age of 19 playing for India in the starting five.
Good memories, especially like when you're a junior and you're playing with the senior and you're performing well. That gives a lot of motivation. So you were in Indian Railways. Any specific reason of leaving that department and joining Indian Bank?
1991 May. Because the Railway May, I asked, because we three were playing together, myself, Ram Kumar and Ajmer Singh. So I asked for promotion at par with them. Ram Kumar was welfare inspector and Ajmer Singh was chief welfare inspector. So I was in Southern Railway. So at par I asked at par with them. They gave me only one grade, but I didn't get that post. So then I had an offer from Indian Bank, and I joined Indian Bank in 91 May.
So after that, you started playing for Tamil Nadu, and there was some event in Kerala where you, being a Keralite, playing for Tamil Nadu against Kerala, the crowd was totally against you.
Correct, exactly. Yeah, 91 I played for Trivandrum Nationals. I mean, Nationals at Trivandrum. That was the first representation for Tamil Nadu, and we lost against host the Kerala. In fact, I still remember the match. I scored 49 points against Kerala in that quarterfinals, and the whole crowd was against. The match was in Trivandrum, my state, you know. So people were against me because I was a villain for them. So pura crowd was shouting against me, but for me that gave more energy. And once you are into the court, you have to play. There is, you know, others are opponents. But we lost. Lost that nationals. But next nationals, CV Sunny also joined with Indian Bank, and Tamil Nadu in Bangalore '91 won first time in that nationals in '91. That was again a good remembrance and good memories.
I was not aware that you were in the same team which gave Tamil Nadu its first national title. So when did you played your last senior nationals?
Last nationals again Ludhiana. Again I was captain of Tamil Nadu in '95. Again we won the nationals in Calcutta. After that, I think '96 I played my last nationals in Ludhiana. '96 or '97. '97 I think.
Did you and Robinson ever played together?
No. Robin was very junior to me, and by the time they came up, I've stepped out.
I still remember Tamil Nadu winning the national title continuously for 5 years. उसमें Robin थे, उसमें Gopinath थे. Very good team that time. So Parminder Singh Senior, Happy was also your batchmate?
Yeah, of course. Happy is my junior actually. We used to train him together in the camp, Indian camp. That time he was a beginner. Happy was a beginner. He had a good physique and all. And coach used to ask me to take classes on Happy, because that time Bivin Chaka was the coach of Indian team when we toured US.
So both of you played for India together for a long time. IOB was considered to be a very rough team. मेरे को ये बात जिमी भाई ने बताई. So कितनी सच्चाई है इस बात में? आपके हिसाब से like IOB was really like that?
IOB only. We used to have local like India-Pakistan game. Indian Bank and IOB always ding-dong match. And they are experts in doing all this. What Jimmy told, I saw your interview with him. I was like, remembering this. They used to play real tough and all unwanted games.
So there is very interesting thing about you that your best performance was coming out of India. One reason for that was because the way you utilize your body weight, your body. इंडिया में जो रेफरीज थे उसको चार्जिंग में काउंट करते थे, फाउल दे देते थे, एंड दैट वाज वन रीजन कि इंडिया में आपका उतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आया जितना इंडिया से बाहर आया.
Most days, इंडिया में the referees will not allow to use my body, so I used to play much better when the team go abroad.
Okay.
My performance always was better when we toured Indian team. इंडिया में क्या कि I said मेरा body भी थोड़ा compared to others it is hefty. So if I move little, they'll go for a charging foul. So I used to restrict myself, my movements in India. You have to be practical, basketball always.
Shahid Qureshi के बारे में everyone is saying lot of things that he's till date one of the best basketball player. What was so special about him? You also played with him.
Shahid myself, we played against and together. Shahid was with me in the Indian team. Yeah, in the 89 Beijing. But he was not well utilized by our team. He was a very good player, great player. He's very good in dodging. He moves with the ball fluently, and he has got the knack of defeating your defense. Smart. He's smart. Basketball, you have to be smart. And we had a good time. Good time. Shahid fundamentally very strong, tough forward. I like him really. But I feel we should have used more. That didn't happen.
Mr. Qureshi, where are you in US? You have lot of fan following in India, and people they want to know more about you. So coming back to you, Jay, you are kind of a good professor of the game, doctor of the game of basketball. So it will be very easy and at the same time very difficult for you when you're going to answer the questions in the next segment. So I would like to ask you your best 5 players in different positions और आप उसमें खुद को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहता हूं जयशंकर मेनन के ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 सेंटर्स.
Okay. Then center means Robin, Ajmer Singh, Shabir, then 3 हो गया ना और 2 भी चाहिए. Yeah, I read Didu also. I mean, in the women team, Didu, she was a top scorer for Asia and got a chance. And one more player you want that I'll take. I'll go back to men only. Subhash Sharma is a sensible player. Yeah, Subhash also, yes. Subhash, only fitness level was a little compared to other centers. He was low, but he was very brainy.
No Happy, no Pandaji in this.
They're not, yeah, because the problem with them, they can play only inside. See the difference. Why? See, you should be very, as I said, tactical. When you have a tall player, the opponent team defends tall player also with you. So if you are standing underneath the basket, the opponent tall player also will be underneath the basket. So they will stop others coming in. Plus they get the rebound. So you should have the capacity to play out also. That is the latest, because old days basketball, if you are a center, they call pivot those days. You have to be inside only. That game is outdated. You have to move out, bring your defense out and open up. So that for that is the reason I didn't pick Happy because I cannot play outside. Yes.
बॉल हैंडलर्स की बात करते हैं. जयशंकर मेनन के ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 बॉल हैंडलर्स.
I take CV Sunny. Yes, Mohit Bhandari is good. Mohit Bhandari. Then Sambhaji also good, but only thing Sambhaji was not a good shooter. Like Sambhaji. Gobi is good. Gobi also Sunny's caliber. I mean, they can be taken as, even though he's not tall. Gobi also done very good as far as the Indian conditions. Goga is much better. Pintu was better player.
सो शूटर्स पे अब आते हैं जयशंकर मेनन के ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 शूटर्स.
Ram Kumar, number 1. He rates the best. Yeah, Shahid Qureshi. Even Radhe was a very good shooter. Radhe Shyam. And I'm going for only men. I don't want to go for women now.
Think twice. You can be in trouble.
I want to give more opportunity for men. And Joshi was a good shooter. Then Gautam, yes. Gautam can be a good. I mean, I missed him as a point guard. Gautam is one of the good point guard. Yeah, very brave, very tactic.
So अगर जयशंकर मेनन को उनकी ऑल स्टार टीम बनानी हो इंडिया की, उसमें वो कौन से 5 प्लेयर्स रखेंगे? If you have to pick an Indian all star team, who are going to be in your list?
Ajmer Singh, Robin, Radheshyam, Shahid. And point guard, I'll give a chance to CV Sunny.
This segment is also going to be very interesting. I'll take a name of a player and you have to explain about that player in one line or one word, whatever comes in your mind. So we'll start with Parminder Singh, senior, Happy.
Yeah, he was nice.
Ajmer Singh.
Aju bhai, strong man, very strong willpower.
Ram Kumar.
A crack shooter. I should not tell that, huh?
Sat Prakash.
Tiger. Tiger on the court.
Robinson.
Dagga.
Shahid Qureshi.
Sexy player.
Jimmy Dhaliwal.
The lefty.
Sajjan Singh Cheema.
Crack shooter.
Now I'll take name of 3 female basketball players of your time. Aparna Ghosh.
A man in women.
Suman Sharma.
Yeah, very humble. Very soft spoken.
Last and the most important, and be careful before you answer, Prasanna Jayashankar.
I should not comment on that. Since you didn't involve me, you should not involve her also in this question. she's a 10% 24/7 basketball.
That was nice. I totally agree with you. 24/7 basketball. So you were the first Indian to be selected in the Asian All-Star basketball team. Just tell us about that.
Yeah, that's true. Asian All-Star game was done by there is the earlier, no, Asian Basketball Promotion Limited, one company was there. So they were doing all these promotion activities in India. So Tom McCarthy, US based man, he started this company and उनका tie-up था Asian Basketball Confederation के साथ. So as a promotion thing, पहले बार this was organized in Seoul, in Korea, South Korea. Okay, and the 16 players was chosen from all over Asia. Okay, so I was representing the SAF countries. Myself and one Dimitri from Uzbekistan. We both were representing. And the Asian All-Star match में मेरे को, that is another good thing that you asked this question. मेरे को 6th player का chance मिला. I was used as the first substitute for the Asian All-Star team. That was again, this all God blessed me with this opportunity, and I was representing India. So it was a very great experience playing for Asian All-Star as a first substitute. After me, Robinson played. After that, that concept, I think they stopped. I don't think after that they continued. They should have continued actually.
Now this is again going to be very interesting. You have to name 3 players who were having like lot of fan following, or I would say female fan following सबसे ज़्यादा किन प्लेयर्स की थी, और इसमें आप खुद को इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. डोंट वरी, प्रसन्ना को मालूम नहीं चलेगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. जस्ट पिक 3 प्लेयर्स जिनका फीमेल फैन फॉलोइंग सबसे ज्यादा था.
You want to make me more enemies? So female fan following in men, na? CV Sunny, Shahid Qureshi, maybe Joshi. You're not talking anything about our commentary. We have a very good time had with you. A lot from you as a commentator. You are my guru in commentary.
Yeah, commentary was like big fun. First time we did in Bangalore, Junior ABC. Good fun doing commentary with you. मैंने आपको कुछ हिंदी के वर्ड सिखाए थे. You remember?
हाँ, वो क्या सिकंदर का क्या डायलॉग था आपका? Your डायलॉग क्या था? बोलो अटैक में आपने बोला सिकंदर का, वो I forgot. You used to use that phrase.
जिसने पॉइंट लिया वही सिकंदर.
Something like that. I still remember that. I forgot the phrase. But you had a good time, you know.
Yeah, it was really good fun. उसके बाद लुधियाना में भी we did commentary. There is one very interesting incident I remember. मैं जब चेन्नई में था, वर्ल्ड वॉलीबॉल क्वालिफायर्स था वहाँ पर, एंड काम खत्म करने के बाद हम लोग बाहर घूम रहे थे, एंड मुझे आज तक वो बात याद है, एंड आई शेयर दैट इंसिडेंट विद एवरीवन कि हम लोग एक शॉप के अंदर गए, दूसरी शॉप के अंदर गए, एंड द पीपल दे वर एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज यू. ही इज लाइक जयशंकर मेनन, इंडियन बास्केटबॉल कैप्टन. सो मेरी लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ था कि किसी नॉन क्रिकेटर को उसकी सिटी के लोग रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे, दैट टू इन अ सिटी लाइक चेन्नई. तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था उस टाइम पे.
Yeah, it's happening because Chennai we used to play a lot of tournaments those days, so we used to get some recognition. And another thing is because of my height, so that is additional bonus.
Any message you want to give to junior players, your colleagues, the state associations, Basketball Federation of India, क्या मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे?
No shortcut in sports. Definitely, if you do hard work, one day you'll be recognized. And what message for federation? I'm waiting for the league to start when it can. That is the question. Unless otherwise there is no pro league, the game will be like this only. People will be talking. You and me will be talking about basketball, but the future will not be there. A lot of youngsters are interested to play. Now the NBA started marketing in India, and things are going up, but there is a blocks. So who will tie the bell on the cat? That is the question now.
जयशंकर मेनन, thank you so much for your time. बहुत मज़ा आया. आई रियली एंजॉयड, एंड बड़ी नई नई चीज़ें पता चली आपके बारे में, प्रसन्ना के बारे में, एंड आई विश कि जो भी आपके वेंचर्स हैं बड़ी जल्दी आपको सक्सेस मिले उसमें, एंड इंडियन बास्केटबॉल जो है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी आपके एफर्ट से. थैंक यू सो मच जयशंकर.
Thanks, Ashish. Have a good time and Really happy that you are pushing a lot of sports people. I am watching your interview with other legends. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep it up. Thank you.